Welcome back, guys. You're wondering where have I been. You might not even know who I am because you may have subscribed to this channel and I just went missing. I'm coming back to YouTube. I've not been around for a while. Life's been crazy. The whole 2019 was just a massive write-off when it came down to YouTube. I had loads of plans of things I wanted to do. Sadly, some of them I wasn't able to do just because in my mind, they're not one-person things. So I just didn't have an opportunity to really make them happen, but I did try. And I also just got really busy. And if you're wondering what I got busy with, because it wasn't even just 2019, it's like the end of 2018 even, where I kind of just went missing from YouTube, that is. And the reason why is I've been heavily involved with doing radio stuff. I've got my own show right now on the Beat 103.6 FM. Thank you to them for allowing me to have essentially a show on their station. For that, I was on Pulse 88. Create something called Drill Karaoke while I was at it. There's just been a heck of a lot going on. But this is a video of me saying to you guys, it's quarantine, so because obviously we've got this corona thing flying around the air, I'm gonna be coming back and I'll be dropping some videos. I've got a load of content like saved up. Right now I'm filming on my phone because I don't have an SD card. Well, I have SD cards, I just can't seem to find where they are. So I'm not using my camera right now. So apologies for any kind of production quality issues. But yes, I've got a load of content coming in these next couple of weeks. Hopefully I can come back to doing this regularly. It'd be great if you guys got any comments or anything, just drop in the comment section below. Like the video, because I've got a massive explanation as to where I've been, what I've been up to, and updates. And I've got loads of stuff on my phone right now, but because I'm using it to record, I kind of can't show you guys. And in my head, I had it in one way. But yeah, I'm back to doing YouTube. Next 48 hours, I've got another video coming. Not even just the next 48 hours, like, I've got a few videos coming. And it's not just London vlogs or stuff that I've been saving up. It's stuff that I've been doing the past year where I've been traveling. So I've got some stuff from all around the world. And I've got another aeroplane food review because the one that I did do and posted seemed to do really, really well. So I'm going to drop a little bit more. Let me know if you guys like that type of stuff or not. But thank you for supporting. I'm back. As you guys know, socials are here. Oh, and check out our channel for interviewing rappers and drill artists. It's called Rap Flicks and Drill. It's based on our show on the Beat 103.6 FM, which I do with my friend Louis Jones. He's my fellow co-presenter. And yeah, it's up here somewhere. And if not, it should be linked in the bio down below. But make sure you go and support that and subscribe to it, because there's a lot of artists who are from the space of drill and don't always get an opportunity to tell their side of the story or actually speak as people who are treated as that. It's always, oh, you're a massive road man, tell us something, rather than, hey, you're an artist, let's hear from you. And that platform is there to support that. So try and subscribe, try and share that up with friends and family. But yeah, I'm back and this is so weird doing this. But guys, I'll see you in the next 48 hours of my first upload.